Hi, today in this video we are going to be discussing about the package.json file, and you are going to be seeing how uh, it works, see the content inside it, and you are going to see the benefit of having it in your project, because most of the times when you are dealing with backend projects using the Express.js, or maybe you are using your React or Next.js to do your frontend, we see there's a file out there called package.json, and most of the people are confused why is there or the reason behind it. Well. So in I just created a new file without anything inside it. So and I just want to create a I just created a new folder with nothing inside it, and I just want to create a new file rather inside it with a name called index.js. Perfect. So I just created it, and I want to open up my terminal. After opening up my terminal, I actually want to close the sidebar, close this debug console also. Inside the terminal, all I want to run is to run npm init dash dash yes, and then this one will head over to uh create the new file for us, which the file will be package.json. Trust me, this command just created a new file for us, and with that dash yes, we save ourselves from answering a lot of questions which are supposed to be answered by default. Inside the package.json file, you can see name, which is contained the package file from our folder name, and then we could see the version. We also have the main, and then we have another core script, right? Keyword, author, license, and dependencies. You can see we have all this here. So, and you can see from all these let me say properties, you all know that there are some that we are supposed to fill them from there. Trust me, we are going to work with them, and you're going to understand how they work better. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just install a package, and the package we are installing is actually Express. So I just want to do npm install Express, and it will head over to install Express for me and add it under my dependencies. You can see Express is added under dependencies that I needed. So we can head over to install another dependency, which in this time we are going to just be installing the Lodash. And installing Lodash is just good because we are going to be using it also. So you can see under dependency we have Express and we have Lodash. Great, we are having two different uh dependencies here now. And inside my index.html file, I just want to write maybe a basic console.log hello node, and that's just it. We don't need to write much because we are not going to be creating an Express app. Yes, the next thing I'm going to do here is to probably uh test run the application. I just want to test run the application. Npm install index. No, we are going to just do node index.js to run the application. Yeah, you can see we have our file loading and running perfectly with hello node.js displayed inside the terminal, and we just good inside our let me see the package.json. Now we can change the script part to the way we used to run our application. We are running it with node with the name of the file we want to run, and in our own folder now we are running the index.js. So I can just do node index.js, and then instead of test I can just change it to I can change the test to start. So this, by doing this, whenever we type npm start, it's going to just head over to run the node index.js for us by default, and our application can start running. So npm run start now is a new command we can use to run our application if we don't want to go through the wrong process. So as you can see, my application is already running, and it says hello node.js as we expected. All right. And then what else can we talk about? Uh, as you can see, let me clear the terminal first, and let's talk about the description. So here is supposed to contain description about the project we are building, and trust me, we are not having much description because this is just a practice project, so nothing much. Great. So we have the description up there, and then this is supposed to contain the author of the project. So in this, okay, I just want to write my name, and that's all. You can write your name also in your own project because that's you are the author of the project, isn't it? All right, so now we have done that. Let's go to dependency section. We have the Express with the version 4.21.1, which is the latest version of Express, I guess. And then you can see we have the caret, which is that something like arrow up. It's called caret, and we have 4.21.1, which is the version of the Express we are having. Same thing goes to the Lodash. We have the 4.17.21, which is the latest version of the Lodash we are having. The Let me see the one there, or let me say the 4 there is the major version, and then the 21 there is the minor version, while the one there is the caret is no, not the caret, I mean the patch. The 4 there is the major version, and the 21 there is the minor version, while the one there is the what is the patch.